everyone. Today we have an exciting new topic, which is India's new PLI scheme and why is it a game changer for India's economy. PLI is productivity linked incentives. So if you're interested in topics like business, marketing, management, economics, or just want to understand how India is fostering its growth ahead, you are at the right place. Before we further jump into the topic, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our content in future. Now let's get started. PLI scheme was initiated by Government of India in March 2020. It is designed to boost manufacturing across various sectors. It stands as a testament to India's commitment to economic self-reliance and global competitiveness. The scheme aims to incentivize the companies to enhance their production capabilities and contribute significantly to nation's economic growth. This PLI scheme is not one-size-fits-all kind of an approach. It strategically targets key sectors like electronics, pharmaceuticals, automobiles, textiles, and many more. By providing financial assistance to companies in these sectors, the government not only aims to promote production but also generate employment opportunities and attract foreign investments. This PLI scheme launched by Government of India in March 2020 has definitely turned out to be a game changer for Indian economy. The country for the first time has emerged as a strong exporter of electronic goods. With India made smartphones of top global brands like Apple, Samsung, this PLI scheme has led to major smartphone companies shifting their suppliers to India. These include Taiwanese giants like Foxconn, Wistron, and Pegatron. In another major breakthrough, work is ongoing to set up a semiconductor production facility by US chip-making giant Micron Technologies, and this is in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. There has been a surge of 60% in electronic goods exports in April to October this year to $15.5 billion as compared with financial year 2022-23 when $23.6 billion worth of goods were shipped out during the entire year, according to Secretary of DPIIT, which is Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. PLI schemes resulted in a robust increase of 76% in the FDI in the manufacturing sector in financial year 2021-22 to the tune of $21.34 billion compared to the previous financial year, which is financial year 2020-21, where FDI was to the tune of $12.09 billion. PLI scheme was envisioned by Government of India to make India Atmanirbhar Bharat, and it is built on foundation of 14 sectors with an incentive outlay of 1.97 lakh crores, which is $26 billion to strengthen the production capabilities and help create global champions. Import substitution of 60% has been achieved in the telecom sector itself, and India has almost become self-reliant in technologies of antennae and GPON, which is Gigabyte Passive Optical Network, and CPE, which is Customer Premises Equipment. Drone sector has seen 7-fold increase in its annual turnover due to PLI schemes, which largely consist of MSME startups. MSME is micro, small and medium enterprises. This is according to data compiled by Commerce and Industry Ministry. Under the PLI scheme for food processing industry, sourcing of raw materials from within India has seen a significant increase, which has positively impacted the income of Indian farmers and MSMEs. There has also been a significant reduction in imports in raw materials in pharma sector. Unique intermediate materials and bulk drugs are being manufactured in India, including penicillin G. Transfer of technology has happened in manufacturing of medical devices such as CT scan and MRI, sectors for which the PLI scheme exists, and have seen an increase in FDI inflows from financial year 2021-22 to financial year 2022-23. Sector-wise increased FDI flow is pharmaceuticals and drugs manufacturing 46%, food processing industries 26%, medical appliances 91%. PLI scheme has definitely transformed India's export basket from traditional products and commodities to high value added products such as electronics and telecommunication goods and processed food products. Over 700 applications have been approved already in 14 sectors, which is worth about 3.6 lakh crore rupees. There are about 176 MSMEs among these beneficiaries in these sectors such as bulk drugs, medical devices, pharma, telecom, white goods, food processing, textiles, drones and some others. An incentive amounting to rupees 2,900 crores has been disbursed already in the financial year 2022-23 under PLI scheme for 8 sectors, and these are large-scale electronic goods manufacturers, IT hardware, bulk drugs, medical devices, pharmaceuticals, telecom and networking products, food processing and drones components. This has also resulted in 20-fold increase in women's employment and localization in IT hardware such as batteries and laptops. We've been able to increase the value addition in mobile manufacturing to 20% within a period of 3 years, whereas other countries like Vietnam achieved 18% value addition over 15 years. years, and China achieved 49% value addition over a period of 25 years. Seen in this perspective, this is a huge achievement. PLI scheme for LSEM, which is large-scale electronics manufacturing, along with existing phased manufacturing programs, has led to increased value addition in electronic sector and in smartphone manufacturing to the tune of 23% and 20% respectively. And this is in last 7 to 8 years of $101 billion worth of total electronics production in the year 2022-23. Smartphones constitute $44 billion worth of production, and this includes exports worth $11.1 billion. As we wrap up on this interesting and exciting topic, it is evident that India's PLI, Production Linked Incentive Scheme, is a game changer and propelling the nation towards economic prosperity and self-reliance. The impact is far-reaching, from increased manufacturing to job creation and enhanced global competitiveness. If you found this video interesting, do not forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do comment down below on your thoughts and understanding on this particular subject. And of course, do subscribe for more insightful content and other contents on business, marketing and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Keep learning, keep growing.